In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar in Google Sites. If you manage a site with multiple pages, adding a search bar is a simple way to help visitors quickly find what they need. It also keeps your layout clean and your content more accessible without requiring any complicated setup. Start by opening your Google site and navigating to the specific page where you want the search bar to appear. You can place it on your home page for maximum visibility, or add it to any other page that makes sense for your audience. As you look at your page, think about where a visitor's eyes naturally go. The top of the page, a header area, or a prominent section near your navigation is usually a good choice. This is all about user experience. Placing the search bar where people expect to find it helps them use it more often. Next, go to the Insert menu and choose More, then select Search Box. This adds Google Sites' built-in search element, which will index your site's content and return relevant results. If you're looking for more control or need to search across multiple sites you manage, you can choose the Embed option and use Google Custom Search instead. The embedded custom search gives you greater flexibility over things like what gets indexed and how results are displayed, but the built-in option is usually perfect for a typical site and requires fewer decisions. Once the search bar is on your page, place it exactly where you want it. Drag it into position and pay attention to the alignment guides that appear. These help you match the search bar to your existing columns and keep everything neat. You can resize it with the handles so it's wide enough to accommodate longer queries, but not so large that it overwhelms nearby text or images. Keep spacing in mind too. Leave a little room above and below to make the element feel intentional, and ensure there's good contrast between the search bar and your background so it stands out clearly. Think about consistency and readability as you position it. If your site uses sections or columns, aligning the search bar to the same grid as your other elements creates a professional look. Placing it near your main navigation can reduce friction for visitors, while positioning it in a prominent content section can encourage exploration. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've added a search bar that makes your Google site easier to use and more helpful for every visitor.